What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here, as always. And I'm back with another bang. Today is another makeup tutorial video. So, special edition Valentine's look makeup tutorial. So, I will be sharing what you shouldn't be doing in a relationship. And feel free to add yours in the comments below. So, let's get into this, guys. One, you should never talk about your ex or your past. Be it good or bad, don't compare your present to your past. Never talk or do something that makes your partner, your other half, feel uncomfortable. So the person you're on a date with, don't talk about things that make them feel uncomfortable. Or if you don't know that it's about to make them feel uncomfortable, just ask them, I'm about to say something. If you do feel uncomfortable about it, let me know and I will stop. Never make them feel restricted. So don't make them feel like they can't talk to you about anything and everything. And don't make them feel like they can't share with you and not get comfortable with you. Never doubt them on anything. So if they like you, if they want you, if they want to be with you, they'll be with you. Don't start looking for evidence that they're cheating or they're talking to someone else, or they're sharing their attention with other people. If you feel that is the case, just ask. Don't doubt them. Don't start having them may or may not. Start having whispers in your ear. Ask them, confront them about it. And even if it's the first time you're seeing that person, just straight up ask, are you speaking to other people? Let me know. Another one is never make them feel like they cannot share anything with you. And before you get into a relationship, trust me, you need to be friends with this person before you become their partner. You need to be besties, you need to be buddies, you need to be gyalis, you need to be your bro, your sis. You need to be in a comfortable position. So you need to be friends first before you become partners. That one is very important. Never compare them or your ex. So don't compare them with someone you've seen. Don't compare them with someone that you dated before, someone you've been with before. Everyone is unique and different in their own way. Do not compare anybody with the present. Never get angry at them. So if they do something that upset you, try your best to control your emotion and divert your mind. If you feel like the situation is getting out of hand and you can't control it, just excuse yourself. Like, say, please, can we come back to this conversation? I'm getting heated, I'm getting angry, and I do not want to speak out of turn. Just don't walk away, explain yourself, and then come back, revisit that situation, because you don't want to be making decision out of anger, and you don't want to be talking, like, say things that you regret in later in the future. You don't want that. And also, you don't want never use abusive words at them. Try not to swear at them. Try not to swear at their family or compare or say bad things about them or their family. Because trust me, everyone loves their family and there's nothing like family. So you don't want to start picking bad bones on their family, even though, that you might not mean it, but, words have power. So control that tongue of yours, okay? Value what you have when you have it, because the saying that is true. You never know what you have until you lose it. So before you lose it, try and value it, try and appreciate the moment, the time, and the quality that you're getting out of that date, that relationship, and that man or that woman. Okay, value what you have. Also, you need to learn from couples who are successful and have their things put together. You do not hear them debate about who's bringing what to the table, because trust me, they understand what each person needs, and they just understand that we need each other for different things, and they focus on the things that really does matter. What you bring to the table should not be a question. It should be a question of it should be a question of, we need each other. What's your strength? What's your weakness? What's my strength? What's my weakness? And let's work together as a team. That's what it should be. Being selective about who deserves your time and attention is self-care. Guys, remember that. Someone once said, her happiness is not my responsibility. She should be happy and I should be happy individually. Then we come together and share our happiness. Giving someone a responsibility to make you happy when you can't do it for yourself is selfish. So guys, first of all, try and make yourself happy. Be happy. Then whoever you're with, we're going to bring the happiness together, and then you're going to be happy together, period. Also remember, bad communication ends a lot of good things. So guys, this year, after, not even after, before your Valentine's, just remember, you have to be a good communicator, okay? Because you can be something good, and then after you have gone chop dinner and you have done everything and this not fancy, and then you stop communicating. No, guys, it doesn't always have to text. You can always do the texting as well. Both ways, be a good communicator, and this can take you somewhere good. For my pretty ladies listening to this and watching this tutorial video because you're trying to slay your face like this on Valentine's Day, remember, a beautiful face will age and a perfect body will change, but a beautiful soul will always remain a beautiful soul. So guys, be beautiful in and out. Don't just depend on what your face is about, okay? Don't depend on what your face is giving and what your body is giving. Also give beautifully from the inside. This one is very important, guys. Listen, ladies and gents, you cannot fight for a place in someone's life, because no matter how hard you try to keep your place, they will put you where you want to be, even if it's not where you should be. Remember, it's on you to get you where you want to be. Also, distance never breaks a relationship, and closeness never builds a relationship. True feelings makes relationship healthy. Remember, you don't chase, you attract. Also, never make him feel less than the man that he is. Always make him feel loved, appreciated, and seen. Okay. And last but not the least, and this is for everyone, both the ladies and the gentle gents, this is more important. Just listen, guys. Your life becomes more enjoyable when you engage in conversations to connect and vibe, rather than seeing them as contests to conquer. Some prioritize winning an argument over preserving relationship that has taken months and years to build. But a simple "I am sorry, I'll work on improving," or "I will ensure this doesn't occur," or "I hadn't seen it from that perspective, I apologize," can bring unimaginable peace. But some people have that drive to always be right and emerge as the winner, can overshadow genuine connections. Changing your approach to life and situations can lead to a more relaxed existence. Guys, ladies, boys, girls, men, women, married, not married, looking for a relationship, not looking for a relationship, in a relationship, not in a relationship. Let us strive to be better. Thank you very much, guys. Keep watching this makeup tutorial all the way to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content. Do not forget to follow me on my socials at Lizzie Atkins everywhere, on Insta, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, and on here, YouTube. Let's stay connected, let's stay friends, and feel free to send me a DM. I will be looking forward to sharing your stories, guys. All right, keep watching all the way to the end.
let us do this again.